Hi all, hope all are doing well. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. R. Madan Mohan, Associate Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, working in Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, India. In this video, I am going to explain one interesting topic which is useful for every BTech graduate. Whenever you joined in BTech course of in any department, after completion of your course or in due of the course, what you have to learn, how to build our career, how to set our goal. So what is your target, whether you have to get job or any other goals, so that you have to fix. So nowadays everyone seeking for software position. With respect to software technology, as a computer science or any engineering student, we have to learn some popular programming languages. Parallelly, we have to improve the coding skills. Here, I am presenting some top programming languages which rules the tech world by end of next year, 2022, and ranking of popular programming languages as of now, October 2021. The most popular languages in the computer science field. Before that, what are the programming languages? Programming languages, if you want to communicate with computer won't understand our own language. Like it may be English or Hindi or Telugu, whatever the language we are speaking, computer won't understand. Computer is a mission. So mission understands only binary languages, that is in the form of zeros and ones, digital. So any language that can be translated into binary where system can read. So here programming languages plays major role. Programming languages are computer languages that are used to communicate with computers. By whom? By programmers or developers. Programming languages are a series of instructions written in any language like C, C++, Java, Python to accomplish a given goal. Programming languages are mostly used to create desktop applications, websites, and mobile applications. The most popular languages in 2022 are predicted below. The first one is Python, second one JavaScript, third one Java, fourth one C++, fifth one TypeScript. Let us see all these with little bit description. First, Python. Guido and Rossum created Python in the late 1980s in the Netherlands. Python began as a competitor to Java programming language in the industry, but it quickly grew in popularity. Python is currently quite popular among both researchers and developers. The official website of Python programming language is www.python.org. So Python is the topmost programming language as of now. Even by end of 2022, we can say Python is the top programming language. Second one, JavaScript. At this moment, JavaScript is pretty much the industry standard language. JavaScript rose to prominence quickly after its inception in 1994 as a scripting language for Netscape Navigator, which is one of the finest browsers at that time. Modern JavaScript was not invented until 2008 when Google developed the V8 engine for Google Chrome. JavaScript, which was created by Netscape as a competitor to Java, now has its own suitable position in the programming world. Third one, before that, because of its widespread popularity, JavaScript is often referred to as the internet language. The most popular programming language among the developers is JavaScript, which has a support rate of 67.7%. The JavaScript official site is www.javascript.com. Then third most popular language, Java. Java was the first language to have a large global influence, having been created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton as the language Oak, while the new programming language followed the same format as C and C++. It included some new concepts to appeal to a wider audience. Java is based on the notion of write once, run anywhere. Means that Java programs may run on variety of hardware and operating systems. That's why Java is called as platform independent. The official website of Java is www.java.com. Next popular language is fourth one, C++. C++ is used in a variety of applications, including analytics, research, and game creation. The Unreal Engine, which is a popular game creation engine, uses C++ as the scripting language for all of the functionality that can be defined while creating a game. C++ is also widely used in software development. C++ position in the middle of the object-oriented and method-oriented approaches allows it to be versatile in the types of software it may build. The fact that C++ is ranked fourth as of now in the TIOB index, which is the industry providing ranking of the programming languages every month, which shows still it is popular. So the ranking website for TIOB index is shown here, www.tiob.com. So later we will see the ranking of the popular languages also. C++ is also widely utilized in the creation of system software since it is easier to grasp than other languages. The official website of C++ is https://isocpp.org. Next, fifth popular language is TypeScript. TypeScript is not a new, which is the superset of JavaScript and has nearly identical applications. TypeScript can be utilized in a variety of applications, including online development, mobile application development, and desktop application development. According to Stack Overflow's list of most popular languages, TypeScript is the second most popular language with 67.1% of developers favoring it. The official website of TypeScript is www.typescriptlang.org. Now let us see the programming languages ranking according to TIOB index. Every month the ranking is provided by TIOB company. Now we will see October 2021, the TIOB index ranking for the popular programming languages. So according to TIOB index, now let us see, now we are in October 2021 month. So the top languages in this month and comparing their positions in last year, same month, October 2022. Then here in this, we will see the change, increase or decreased the number of ratings. So here October 2021, the top number one programming language is Python. The ratings are 11.27%. The change, there is no change here. Then second language is C. So ratings are 11.16. The change is minus 5.79%. So in 2020 October, C is first position. Now it is moved to second position. In October 2022, Python is in third position. Now it moved to first position. Then here you can see the change is there. So rank is increased for Python. Rank is decreased for C. Then the third language is Java. So here last year Java position is second. Now it is moved to third. The position is decreased. Then C++, same position last year and this year, same month, fourth position. Then C#. So now last year and this time same fifth position. Then Visual Basic, sixth position. There is no change, same ranking. Then JavaScript, seventh position last year and this year in the same month. Then SQL, last year it is in 10th position, now the rank is improved, now it is in 8th position. Then PHP, last time it is 8th, now this time this is 9th one. Then assembly language, last time this is 17th, now this time is 10th position. Then 11th position, classic Visual Basic, 12th one, Go, 13th MATLAB, 14th R, 15th Groovy, 16th Ruby, 17th Swift, 18th Fortran, 19th Perl, 20 Delphi or Object Pascal. These are all the top 20 programming languages and their rankings in the month of October 2021. Every month, the ranking will be provided by TIOB Index. These are all the top programming languages and 5 programming languages leading the technology world by 2022. Let us see the resources or references where this article is collected from the techgeek.com. The website for TIOB Index is tiob.com/TIOB-index. The official homepage of Python programming language, www.python.org. JavaScript official website, javascript.com. Java official website, java.com. C++ official website, isocpp.org. TypeScript official site, typescript.lang.org. These are all the 5 languages what we explained, which leads the tech world by 2022. Happy learning for all of you. Now start working on choosing the top programming languages and prepare yourself, practice, assess, improve the coding skills. Then you will be succeeded in your career. Happy learning. Here, follow me on LinkedIn using the link provided here and subscribe my academic YouTube channel subscription to make use of free ICT courses on latest technologies, programming languages, and core courses on engineering. Some of the courses launched in Udemy International platform. First course is Introduction to R Programming. Second one, Basics of R Software for Data Science. Third one, Formal Language and Automata Theory. These are all the 3 courses launched in Udemy International platform. I wish all of you a very all the best. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.